Once you have added a quiz to your course, you can edit the quiz to start adding questions. To add a matching question, you can select it from the question picker. You can then give your question a descriptive name. This will be used to keep track of questions and will not be shown to learners. You can then create the question text. Here, you can also add media like images or video to make your quiz more engaging. You can specify the number of points this question should count. And you can optionally add general feedback that will be displayed to learners after they have answered the question. You can assign a question ID as another optional way to keep track of questions. Finally, you can also enable random shuffling of the available matching choices. In the Answers section, you will need to fill in at least 2 questions and their matching answers, as well as a third, wrong answer, to act as an additional choice. You can add the first question to the Question 1 text field, and the matching answer to the corresponding Answer text field. Similarly for Question 2, and its matching answer. Then, to provide the third answer, simply leave the Question 3 text field blank and add the additional answer. You can provide more question and answer pairs or additional wrong answers by creating more blank text fields. In the Combined Feedback section, you can optionally specify the feedback that learners should receive when their response is correct, partially correct, or incorrect. You also have the option to allow learners multiple tries to get this question right within the same quiz attempt. If this is enabled, you will be able to specify a penalty and provide hints for each incorrect try. You can reach out to your administrator for help to set this up. Finally, you can add tags to make it easy to keep track of questions. When you then click on Save Changes, your matching question will be added to your quiz. And you can continue to add additional questions. When your quiz becomes available to learners, they will be able to interact with your question in accordance with the settings you have specified.